DX-G20 Vet upgrade guidance. Log into the GC account. Go to Settings, System Settings. Network interface to open the Wi-Fi function and connect with the relevant Wi-Fi. Go to the About, Basic Information interface and click Check Update. The system automatically detects if a new version of the software is available. If so, select the update version, then click Enter. The analyzer will upgrade. If not, try to go to Settings, Others, System Update Interface and change the hospital code to 12. That is all for upgrading analyzer. Thank you.